I'm not feeling confident. I'm just not about this gel. It better do something. And welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another video. I'm back with another wash and go video. You guys seem to love this type of content, so I'm going to bring it to you. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new product. This product has been on the market for a while, and I've been wanting to try it, and I've heard kind of mixed reviews with it. So I'm going in. I don't know what to expect, but I'm going in. I'm going to try it for you guys. It's the Innersense I Create Hold Hair Gel. It's a styling gel designed for wash and goes to provide hold and shine. I am going to be using the Innersense gel by itself, just a one styler, so I can get the full effect of this product. This product is designed to achieve shape, definition, and a firm hold. It is an aloe and honey based styling gel, and aloe always does great on my low porosity hair, so fingers crossed on how this will react to my hair. I've been holding out on using this product because it's not a cheap product. This product is about 26 bucks. I picked this up from Ulta. This is a 10-ounce container, so that's on the higher side for a hair gel. So nonetheless, I am here. So let's go ahead and get started and let's try it out. Okay, so my hair has been thoroughly washed, conditioned. I don't have any product on my hair. I would normally do a leave-in with everything, but I wanted to test the true integrity of this product on my hair, so I didn't want to put a leave-in at all. So my hair is just cleaned, it's conditioned, all of the things. So it's no product, and my hair has been detangled and all of the things. Working in small sections, of course. In this sections first, I'm gonna saturate my hair because we know a wash and go, the hair should be wet. So I'm just saturating my hair with the TD Cousin Curl Kit continuous spray bottle, making sure the hair is saturated, and then I'm gonna split this in half. Making sure the hair is detangled before I apply the gel and working that in. Using the TD Cousin Curl Kit detangler brush to get those tangles out. This gel states all you need is 2 pumps. And now if you've been following me for a while, you know that the girl is heavy-handed. So I'm gonna follow directions. I'm gonna use 2 pumps it says 1 to 2 pumps, so I'm going to start with 2 and judge it from there. I do like the container that you can do pumps, so this is 2 full pumps, and I'm going to rub that in. Oh, it smells really good, and it glides onto the hair. It doesn't feel like it's a lot of product, I'm gonna have to be honest. I guess because I am heavy-handed, but it is gliding on my hair rather nicely. And this is what it looks like with just that application. Yeah, I'm tempted to do one more pump. I am so tempted. I am. I am. Okay. I do like the way it's defining my hair, like right off the bat. It does give that definition and raking that down. It's light too. It's not sticky, but it does feel a little tacky. That product does give like that tacky, sticky feel, almost like a custard. So it's going to be interesting to see how it all feels on my hair and how it reacts to my hair. So moving on to the other sections, repeating that process, saturating my hair with water, guys. and making sure the hair is detangling off the brick. Like, you cannot have hair that's not detangled for a wash and go. So I took, what was that? 4 pumps. I don't know, guys. My hair is dense, so I have dense, coily hair. So I am finishing up this section. What I did notice about the product is that it does spread through my hair like really nicely, but I just feel like I need more than 1 or 2 pumps, and it could be because of the sizes of my sections. So I'm breaking my sections down a little bit more than what I had before. So like this section, I'm gonna break this down a little bit and then use the recommended 2 pumps. Well, that was 3 pumps. That was 3. I ain't gonna hold you. You know, especially because this is the only product on my hair. It is defining my curls, and it's supposed to give like a nice hold. So we shall see. But this is how it's turning out. That's like 2.5 pumps right there, and put that on the last part of this section and working it down, just raking it down and using my brush to make sure the product is like distributed all through my ends and it's combed through, and shingling just a little bit. So this is the first section. I'm gonna have to be honest, I'm not feeling confident about this gel at all. I'm not. I don't know why I'm not. I'm just not feeling confident about it at all. I'm nervous. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. But I'm gonna finish it up. I'm gonna finish it up. And of course, if you've been following me for a while, for my wash and goes, I always use my hair weights. These are the TPH Hair Weights. This just helps to elongate my hair, to, you know, prevent so much shrinkage on my hair. I normally put them at the backs of my hair versus like at the front, just so I can elongate like the length in the back. That's pretty much it. And that's what it looks like when you put them on. I'll link all of the products that I'm mentioning and have used, of course, in the description below. I'll link these as well, just to let you know these go fast. They are really popular. Every time I mention these things, people buy them like crazy. So, and it doesn't snag the hair or anything like that. That's what I love, because I do have coily hair and I don't need anything like snagging my hair. So yeah. And it does come, what is it, 10 in a pack. I'll just probably do 5 on the back sections, like each 5 sections, I guess. All right, so that's what it's looking with the hair weights. And this is the definition on the hair, guys. I'm not feeling confident. I'm just not about this gel. It better do something. Anyway, I'm going to finish up the application process, and then I'm going to come back and show you the final results, the wet results, because normally if the wet results look good, 9 times out of 10 the dry results will be just as good. So fingers crossed. So okay, so I've finished the back section of my hair. I put the hair weights on to help with the shrinkage, to elongate my curls. And my hair is already drying. Like normally it takes my hair a long time to dry, but my hair is shrinking already. I can see it. And with these results, this is the definition. I think with this gel, I might get more volume very first day, because that's what it's looking like. It's not weighing down my hair at all right now. So like I said, I don't have high hopes for this. I don't know. It just the way it's looking, I'm not sure. But fingers crossed, I'm gonna finish the application, all of my hair. I'm gonna come back and show the wet results from it all being applied to my hair. I'm on the last section of my hair. So I have a bit of a confession. I was feeling like this was about to be like an epic fail. I ain't gonna hold you. So I went back and I added a little bit more product on my hair, because I felt like my hair was just drying so quickly. I don't know, it just seems odd. So I did go over some sections and added some more. So that 1 to 2 pumps, nope. That didn't work out for me, okay? The 1 to 2 pumps, nah, we going 1, 2, 3. All right, okay? The 1 to 2 pumps, not my hair, not today. Not today, not ever, not never ever. So I'm just shingling my hair. Okay, and these are the wet results. I did clip this back. I'm going to be clipping the other side of my hair back, of course, while it's drying. But yeah, these are the wet results. Hopefully you can see that. It is giving a lot of shine. I ain't gonna hold you. Because this is an aloe based gel, that aloe does very good on my low porosity hair, but I don't know. So this is what it is looking like. And of course, I never ever air dry. I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer, and then we'll probably, to kind of set the hair, and then I'll go in with my diffuser to dry the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back with the results and my final thoughts. Alright guys, I am back, and I have to be honest, this is the next day. Yesterday when I was washing my hair, it was in the later part of the evening. Your girl got sleepy, okay? So I had to tie my wash and go up and go to bed. I did manage to dry it before I went to bed, and another mishap happened. My hooded dryer just decided not to work. So I did diffuse my entire hair. So I dried my curls using my diffuser. So I'm just revealing what my curls look on camera after sleeping on them. Okay, and I still have my clamps in the back. Oh, see, my hair is still stretched. Now y'all seeing the real, okay? This is the real. The definition is there, y'all. This is what it's looking like dry results. So I'm gonna take these things off. First thing I notice, my hair is crunchy, okay? Crunchy. I did hear that about this gel, that it does give like that crunchy feel, which I don't mind, because crunch, it kind of guarantees that there's going to be a lasting effect to it, but it does give my hair a crunch. And y'all, I'm pleasantly surprised with the definition. I promise you, I thought this gel was not going to be good for my type of hair. I just thought it was going to be not good. I didn't think so. So right off the bat, the definition and the curls, it's looking good. I mean, the shrinkage, it's inevitable, but whatever. So I'm gonna finish taking these off, and as you can see, it really does keep the hair stretched. So I love those clips. So this is first impressions. This is what it looks like. Like, no stretching, just the definition of my curls. And y'all, the definition is there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch it out and come back with the final results, my final impressions, my final thoughts and everything. So I'll be back. Okay guys, these are the stretched results. I'm eating my words. I am eating my words about this gel. I really truly am. One thing I will note though, when it's a hold, it's a hold. This gel does have a cast. I didn't think it was going to create that much of a cast on my type 4 hair, kinky coily hair, but it did, and it gave me a lot of definition, which I'm not mad at. I am not mad at that at all. So this is first day hair, and it's giving me volume and definition on first day hair. So that's one thing that I love already. But I'm gonna tell you, the directions did say 1 or 2 pumps. I did go a little overboard because I was just scared that it was not going to turn out right. But I think because I used 1 or 2 pumps extra, I'm getting a little flaking already. Yeah, I'm getting some flaking. So maybe there is a reason why you only need 1 or 2 pumps, because I am getting some flaking. Now this is first day. I don't know what the flaking might turn out to be in the next couple of days, but I am getting flaking and flyaway. Like, I can see it in my view right now, and it's like that every time I touch my hair. I think that will probably be annoying after a while, but we will see how many days I can live through it. But yeah, surprisingly, the gel did give me a lot of definition. My hair does not feel like over dried or anything. Like I mentioned, I did not put in a leave-in in my hair. I wanted to test the integrity of the full product without any disturbance of any other product. So this is just the straight Innersense I Create Whole Gel on my hair after my hair has been fully washed, detangled, and conditioned. So yeah, these are the results. I mean, I like them. I'm not even gonna hold you. Now, would I use the gel again? Yes, I'm gonna use the remaining of the gel again on my hair. I will probably go easy on the pumps to prevent the flakes, but will I buy this gel again? At the price point that it is, I probably won't. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it 27 bucks because that's how much it costs for this gel. You know, it's fine. It's a gel. It's a gel that you've been dying to try and you want to try. I would say go ahead and do it. But if you don't, I think there are comparable gels out there on the market that you can try that be not at this such high price point. Nonetheless, it is a great product. I love the messaging on the product. So yeah, we love all of that for Innersense. Overall, my hair is stunning. Like, the curls and the definition is popping. All right, comment down below letting me know, have you tried the Innersense I Create Whole Gel? Like, what are your thoughts? What do you think? Are you willing to dish out that 27, 28 bucks for the gel? Comment down below and let me know. All right guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.